preferred share market posted another really strong performance in the fourth quarter. This was really the continuation of the strength that we had in Q3. So total performance for the quarter was around 7.3%, and for the full year now, that brings the total performance to 6.2%, which was really strong, and clearly I would have not bet this back in March. So the strength of the fourth quarter was really coming from many factors. I would say the first one was the approval of several highly effective COVID-19 vaccine. And the second one, I think, was the President Biden win, which means that we should see much more fiscal stimulus. And I think the last one, which is also extremely important, is that I think preferred share investors continue to focus on the potentially many redemptions that we should see over the next quarter, as issuers now have much cheaper options to print capital with the LRCN market, but also with the hybrid markets. So we are expecting a lot of redemptions of the expensive preferred shares. So for the NBI preferred share fund, it outperformed in this environment. We had close to 238 basis points just in the fourth quarter, which brings the total performance for the quarter of close to 9.7%. And for the full year, we also had close to 123 basis points. Over the last quarter, we continue to build our overweight position in the fixed reset issues with mid-reset levels, so the ones that has reset between 250 and 300. We do think that right now those represent the best risk reward within the preferred share market in Canada. We're overweight now by 10%, and in many sectors, not just the financials, but also sectors like utilities and energy. 2021 will be a great year for preferred share market in Canada. We're expecting a total performance between 7 and 10% for the full year, and potentially more if we're right about our base case scenario, which is that the vaccine will allow us to reopen the economies around late Q2, early Q3, that the credit tone will remain strong, that interest rate will stay low but will slowly increase from those low levels, and that fiscal stimulus will remain supportive in both Canada and the US. But what's more important for preferred share investors is that we're expecting many redemptions, up to 13 billion of redemptions over the next 7 quarters, which is almost 19% of the overall market. We do think that we have the right trade. We're overweight fixed reset that trade at discount. Those will outperform, and we're expecting also to outperform the overall market in 2021. Thanks for taking the time, and I have a great 2021 year.